మిత్రులారా, బంధువులారా, వనక్కం, స్వాగతం. మిత్రునాం, we are continuing our fascinating series on the historic regions, historic districts of Bharat Mata, Bharat, South Asia. And this is the part 6, 7 of Historic Baramahal District series. You see, the Baramahal is a region also called Bigger Salem District or Old Salem District in the northern part of Tamilnadu province of today's Bharat. After this presentation, you will get a fascinating idea of the historic Baramahal district, that is the Old Salem district. What are its current district as of 2024? What is the district, each district's area, surface area, geographical area in square kilometers, thousands of square kilometers. And what is the population? The districts, this is the population, this is the surface area. And if you divide the population with surface area, you get the how many number of people will live per square kilometer area. And that gives you a very deeper understanding. Any discussion of the politics, society, economy, and military industrial complex societies, mixed societies, is totally incomplete, misses the essential part if you do not understand how many people live in that area, what is the surface area, what is the density for square kilometers. After this presentation, you will get a great clarity. This is your presenter, Dr. Reddy, South Asia Mass, who will share his 4.5 decade extensive passionate search of Indology apart my regular livelihood work of molecular biologist, bioinformatician, and crop breeder and agriculturalist, and so on. Mitranam, and this is our historic Baramahal district series. This black region is Tamil Nadu province. The yellow blob colored is the historic Baramahal district, Old Salem district. This is the three-dimensional view, South Asia maps, and this is our current four district of historic Baramahal, Krishnagiri, Dharmapuri. I put it here, residuary Salem and Namakkal, Tamilnadu and Madras Presidency, Salem district, and the script will tell what is the purpose of that. And we are looking at Baramahal district historic population, surface area density, and the historic Baramahal. Why I have given the Baramahal itself? Because you will know what the name of the district historically, why it is used to be called Baramahal, why it got Namankikaran, that means rechristened into Salem district. That is the history that lot of Google searches won't tell you. That's why I have put a lot of effort in researching and bringing that to the audience of Tamil Nadu and outside. Hope you will take in a positive direction and bring it to the notice of people. And this is Mitronam and my YouTube channel, Intellectual Chatriya's channel, South Asia Maps, J. Reddy. There are 600 videos. I am showing here the playlist. Each playlist is like a bin that contains 10 to 20 or so immaculately made videos, 10 to 15 minutes or so. You can look at them in various, very diverse fields of knowledge. South Asia Maps, J. Reddy. This is the historic as the British, after the Battle of Plassey and Battle of Buxar and Treaty of Prayag, Allahabad, British started appointing even before that, appointed the geographers such as James Rennell, father of Indian geography, and they start consolidating the geographic knowledge called systemization of the geographic knowledge by the British imperial authorities, uh, presidencies and provinces and districts and so on. The old Madras presidency, you can see here, we are concerned with the Salem district. This is the Vadayari territory and Tuarka district and to Delta Cauvery, Carnatic district, and Madurai and Poligar area, Tirunelveli, Nanjil Nadu in Tiruvittamakuru, Travancore. This is the Coimbatore, Congo region. Now there are many districts, and we will look at after this presentation, you will get a clarity. Mitranam, there are 4 districts of historic Baramahal today. These are the district names. That is the Krishnagiri, Dharmapuri, Salem, Namakkal. This is the Cauvery river goes like this. Ponnaiyar river almost goes like that. Vellar river or North Vellar river that goes to Tatugudi and Vridachalam and near Chidambaram and between it falls into Gangasagar Ocean. That is the overall geography. Pala river will be somewhere here, Vellore will be here. So these are the districts. What are the areas? Geographical areas. Districts is the same thing. District geographical areas are generally in thousands square kilometers, and the country is in millions, big countries. What is the overall idea? The idea is very easy. You remember a person used to live for 65 years. That is the area of Sri Lanka. You just double it. 65 becomes 130. That is because Tamilnadu is across the Gulf of Mannar. It is double in size, 130,000 square kilometers. 130 units always add 1000. 130 units. Imagine there used to be 10 district, historical district. You give exactly the same area. Each has to be round about 13 units. That is 1000 square kilometers. That's what it is here. It should be 13 or 10. So you get 1, almost make it 2, is gets 3.5 and 4 and 7 and 9 or something like that. So remember there's adjustments here and there. So 130 units of Tamil Nadu, Tamil speaking districts of Madras Presidency, give it round about 12, 13 districts, you get round about 10. If you give 13 districts, you should be round about 10. So each is round about 10. That means if you uniformly distribute 4, you should be round about 2.5 or so. That's what it is. Easy to remember. Give certain districts little more. Salem. That means sorry, this is the surface area. Okay, so we put it. The population, you remember, there is around about 72 million in 2011. Now there are 82 million around about 2024. 82 million means make it 8 millions or so in the the old district. So you get around about 8, 3.5, 1.5 is 3.5, 4 and 5 here, 6 and 7 here, 8. So this is how you can broadly estimate the population. So this is the population in millions. The population of 2011 in millions here. 6 digits, 6 zeros means a million. We remember like 130 units 10 times, 13 times is 10, right? That is the area in square kilometers. You get it here. This is the 5 here. This is the 5, 10, round about even 20 here. Why do you get to 20 here and less means? If you, actually there were not even 10. Some areas has Nilgiris like that, very little, and like Madras district and so on. So it's approximately. Now modern district round about 5,000, you need 5,000 square kilometers. Give Salem little more. So Krishnagiri and 5,412 is a 5,000, you round up. This is round about 5,000, again 6,000, round about 5,000. 1,000 square kilometers, you got the area. You divide this by this. Then you get the density. Let's say you have 2 million here and you divide it by this 5,000, you get the density. In Tamil Nadu, 2011 population is 72 million, right? 72 million, you divide it 132,000 square kilometers. 130, that means it is nothing 0.13 square kilometer. 0.13 means if you make it 10 times, it becomes more than a million here. That means 72 should be 720 because it's a 30 here, divide is the 555 in 20. 11. In 2025, this should be round about 666, something like that. And so we got it. And Tamil Nadu, every year, every decade, two general elections pumps net 10 million people. You see the 10 here, 5 here, 5 here, each human being. That's called population pump. Old Salem district population pump. This is the Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu net 10 million per decade. 10 million net per decade. Whatever people we have, every decade you are adding around about 10 net population, 10 million to the province. This is humongous. So that's why whatever governments are doing is not doing much, because there is an immense amount of population you have to produce for them, the shelter, food, jobs, and so on. This you have to keep in mind. Here I have talked elsewhere about the average density of the planet Earth. That means 150 million square kilometers. There are 8,000 or 8 billion people divided by 150 million. You get around about 55 per square kilometer population, because you take away the Amazonia, Siberia, and Sahara Desert and so on. Less inhabited, less carrying capacity. You double it, 110 people per square kilometer. Around about 2024, India has easy to remember 444. You have 111 here 4 times, and 111 here, the actual density of population on the earth. Bangladesh, East Bengal, Purba Bengal is more than 1,000, and across the Radcliffe line 275, because Balochistan is a much area, so it doesn't have many people. So that is about the population pump and everything. Did I put the, okay, I should have somewhere, I have not added that. Okay, anyway, that is good. And you can look at the metronome, how to remember the geographical areas of any continent or a country or a province, district. Very easy. I have opened a series called Game Geographic Areas Made Easy. What is the square kilometers comparing the Egypt? I have put many series, more than 20 or so, in many aspects. And if you look at them, this is the game of India and Pakistan, and you will get a very good clarity. You will very easily learn. That means at any time, any of your friend asks, what is the size of Tibet Peninsula? What is the area of United States or China or Canada? You can very easily tell what is the surface area of Kerala province or Tamil Nadu province, United Provinces, four Punjabs, East Punjab, West Punjab. You go and look at that series. You will enjoy it a lot, and that will make you intellectually very articulate in presentations. I have also put other series in Tamil Nadu. You can go and look at them, appropriate presentation in the that playlist, and also Madras Presidency. You can look at them and you can learn a lot and enjoy them. So, what did we talk today? We talked about six, one, see, this is 65 units, that is thousands. Square kilometers, double it 132, among which historic Baramahal district has round about, whatever maybe area you see, round about 20 or so, and 20,000 square kilometers. It has around about 10 million people or so. Each district and four districts now, we see what is the population, what is the surface area, what is the density, how does this compare to entire Bharat, that is a 444 people per square kilometers. East Bengal has 1,111, whereas west of the Radcliffe line 275. Entire planet Earth round about 50 literally. If you take away Amazonia, Siberia, Sahara, and Gobi Desert, and all those Kalahari Desert, this is 111 and so on. So that will be given very clarity in other presentations we looked at it. Hope this will help you, Mitronam, really understand and comprehend the fascinating historic Baramahal district, old Salem district of Tamil Nadu province, and see you later in other presentation. The next presentation will see, take the Baramahal district, what are the ranges, what are the hills, what are the mountains, what are the rivers, what are the lakes and dams. prominent physical features, you will get a very deeper understanding. Catch you later. If you like these presentations, I hope you can post your comments or any suggestions, and even you can subscribe the channel and bring it to the notice of your friends so that you can take part in this event of spreading, bringing this knowledge to others. Thank you very much, Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia.